Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. If this is the first time you're tuning in, do what, subscribe, follow if you're watching it from Facebook, like, comment and share. Today we're going to be doing spelling. So this my baby here says she can spell more than me, and I was like, hello, I'm a graduate. I am a graduate. How can you even open your mouth to say you can spell more than me? Anyways, that is here to test our spelling ability. So you're going to be writing and showing daddy.
Spelling number 1.
No, daddy, like you just have to be serious. Okay, wait, let me give daddy this mic. Daddy, hold the mic in your hand.
Okay,
so that
spelling number 1.
wait though.
Chimpanzee. Clapping for my baby girl.
I don't understand.
Chim.
Spell your own.
Chim.
CHIMPANZEE.
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 Mom that I spell is CHIPAZI.
Yeah, it's chimpanzee. That also sound like ENQUIRY name.
That means you already have 1 point. No,
Yes.
D. Let me wait. D and so 1 0.
1 note. Alright, second spelling is hippopotamus.
HIPPOTAMUS. Spell your own.
HIPPOPOTAMOUS.
Who is correct?
She got
Correct.
Eh?
Look
Yes.
at you pronounce it.
Hippopotamus.
You did hippopotamus. You were in a hurry to get
Hippopotamus. Hip.
Share 1
Popo.
out 0. It's okay. Next, please.
Alright, spell psychology.
Wait, psychology is psychology.
Daddy.
PHYSOCOLOGY.
No.
P.S.
PSYCHOLOGY.
Jesus.
Yes,
That's
you failed.
psychology.
PSYCHOLOGY.
That's my baby.
What?
Yeah.
3-0. I've not gotten
3-0,
one.
first half, 3-0. Man City versus Aimba. Alright, are you ready for number 4?
Yes.
Number 4, spell Sandavas.
Daddy.
SANDAVAS.
Alright, both of them got it.
I got the point.
No, so we cancel that one.
Which we cancel? I got.
It's
Baby,
the same.
I
It is the
spelled
same.
first.
So 1-1,
It's
1-1. It's the
like,
same, 1-1.
People get.
Why? I spelled it first.
People get to
I
share
showed
the
him the same,
points.
so it's the same.
Why are
thing.
you not
We both
spelling it?
correct. I'm not spelling that. I'm showing him.
Sandavas.
Your eye don't open. Stay. They
One.
open eye for me because of this small thing.
I'm not.
Alright,
5.
spell for me doubt. Like you're doubting me.
DOUBT. I got it now. You want
Yeah.
to see?
We both got it.
We both got, but
We both
It's
got
not.
it.
No 0.
We both got it.
But she got it too.
Eh? But she's not spelling it out now.
I'm not
Man,
spelling it out.
That's why you guys are right, man. 1-1.
Destiny, you started.
Number 6.
Are you ready for number 6?
Yes.
Spell footprint. Footprint.
Footprint.
FOOTPRINT.
Correct.
Baby.
Of us.
Yeah, both of you
We are
got it.
both correct. You say I'm not spelling it out. So this
No, this is supposed to be first to finish. This is supposed to be first to finish. This thing done a con cheating.
First
It's
to
the one
First
you
to,
say this
first to
one, I
finish
got it.
and spell it out.
First to get it.
First to finish and get that now. And just get that one because we cannot be getting one.
Okay, you
Cannot
both should
pour-
spell number 7, right?
Number 7, yes.
Number 7. Anti-monopoly-geographicalism.
Sir?
Mono.
Polo.
Mono what? Polo,
Geographicalism.
Geography. Fi what?
Colorism.
Colorism.
ANTIMONOPOLOGRAPHICALARISM.
I got it. Put 1 for me, put 0 for you. You never get it correct. Can't me not to do cheating.
Baby, you are very wicked. Why would you bring monogeographical?
Yeah, so
Daddy, bring anything.
So the next one.
1-0.
This Monojo
Now you people are gonna spell.
Jesus.
Number 8.
Just listen. This one sounds like a sentence. It's a sentence.
Please continue.
Do this. A plantain planter planted plantain in his plantain plantation.
Planted.
Plantain in his plantain plantation.
In his plantain plan.
A plantain planter planted plantain in his plantain plantation.
Let me view both of you.
Okay. And I finish first, so no matter of
Okay, you
view.
finish
See,
first,
she's
yes.
even still doing correction.
A
I'm
plant.
not doing correct.
A plant planter. That's what you wrote here.
Yes.
A plant.
It's plantain now.
Wait,
Baby, wait.
listen now. Let's.
Mommy, wait.
Okay.
Baby, wait.
Let's.
Mommy,
A-
read this thing.
Let's
Mommy,
look at
wait.
this. Okay,
Wait.
okay. Read what you wrote.
A
Just-
plantain.
Mommy,
Wait,
that's
now don't write.
plant.
Just
Don't do cheating.
a plant. What?
A plant planter
A
plant
planted
planter
plantain in his plantain plantation.
So let me see.
A plantain planter planted plantain in his plantain plantation.
Baby, who is correct? Baby, see her plantain spelling, no? Wait, oh. See, Platain. Is that the spell plantain?
This is mistake.
Plantain. So both of you failed.
Which me?
Both of us fail, but my own is only N. You write plant.
So both of you failed.
Yeah.
Okay, so are we good?
Yes.
All right. Next number what? Number 8 or 9?
9.
Number 9. Spell geography.
G-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y.
Who finished first now?
Me now.
Mommy talk to the one.
Which one is one talk? Are you okay?
I'm
That is me.
Who finished first?
Mommy say the truth. I'm the one.
Which one?
It's me. I finished first.
Come
I
on,
started
guys.
G-E. I started G-E. You're following me at my back. Mommy,
Instead, I give one manageably. No, be say you pass on.
but I first you.
You still
Okay.
a couple. I'll put on 0.
Okay, let's take this one. Spell Obakala.
B-O-O-B-A-K-A-L-O.
That is it.
Oh,
Both of you failed it.
O-B-A-K-A-L-A.
Ubakala. Both of you failed
You,
it.
okay,
It
let's
should
do
be you instead of.
U-B-A-K-A-L-A.
So you want to change it? We failed it already. So why are you changing
Both of
it?
you failed it.
Why are you changing it?
Number 11.
This is how hard people. Spell Obibiezenna.
O-B-B-A-Z-N-A. O-B-I-B-I-E-Z-E-N-N-A. Am I correct? 0, 1. 1 and 0.
Come on, get out.
Alright, you should spell this one. This one is funny. Man.
12.
The last one, ma.
You should spell Tufiakwa.
Which one is Tufiakwa? How do I spell
Fiakwa.
Tufiakwa?
T-U-F-I-A-K-W-A.
Why are you bringing Igbo spelling now?
Yes,
Bible.
that even Yoruba bring.
Is it like PG in English? You know, Tufiakwa, like, God forbid. Get it?
Yes.
Okay, you want the last spelling?
Number, yes, the last. I've already will say.
People should spell Bongo Sikwe.
Bongo-sin-kwe.
Bongo Sikwe.
B-O-G-O-S-I-Q-U-E.
Bongo.
Spell your own, let me see.
B-O-N-G-O-S-I-K-W.
KW.
So, guys.
That's only French one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah, you guys try. No victor, no vanquish, but then we know the winning.
This is the pure art of cheat, and with no further
I
ado,
scored 12, you got 5.
which
No,
one?
not really a pure out
I
of
scored
cheat,
12.
you know, because my baby here, my little baby, my daughter here,
I'm the winner.
her brain is still very fresh.
Okay, my own is dull.
Mama here is fresh.
No,
but
my own
she's-
is dull.
Mama has a lot of things. in
Guys,
her
with
hair.
no further ado, I do like I always
Also
say in
my
my videos.
videos.
I'm going to say bye and I'll see you guys in my next one.
Don't forget, I'm the
comment.
winner. I'm the winner. I'm the winner. Don't forget, please, okay? I won 12
Goodbye.
out of 30.
Oh.
So she failed. I'm in the same.
Please, for sponsorship, drop a
Failed
comment on the
7.
comment section. And bye for now. We love you guys. Mwah. Help us end the video. You are at our service.
If you touch me, I'm gonna slap you. Don't touch me.
Reason.
I don't know. I don't know.
The press is here. Reason.
Because
Bye-bye,
I
guys.
passed her.